what is going on, guys? Hello, TMs. Make sure to smash the subscribe button, smash that like button, hit that notification bell. Today we will be doing what happens when you put in water. So I'm guessing it's probably gonna be smushy and nasty and like very weird, but I have no idea what to come on. We're just gonna put this in some water and see what happens. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm being a retard. Why do I have this in my mouth? I feel like my mouth is about to explode. I feel like this is very annoying. Okay, guys, comment down below if you want me to learn to start a whole video. Oh, and please don't laugh at me. It's not my fault. Actually, this one's hot because I put that on. Let's see what happens when we put this on water. So, let's go. I forgot to show you that I can squeeze it in. Ouch. Okay, let's go now. So guys, we are gonna get a plain cup. Okay guys, so we are going to get a plain little cup, fill it up with water here. I'm gonna show you it. Wait, I'm gonna put in hot water. Ouch. Okay guys, so we have about a little tiny cup of hot water. So we're going to see what happens. I'm not going to put all of this in here because my sister loves this stuff even though I want it. So we're going to leave it in here for about 10 minutes, but we're going to see what happens right when I put it in here. So it didn't really do anything. It kind of just sank in there. So we're going to come back in 10 minutes. And I'm going to tell you what it feels like. Okay, guys, it has been 10 minutes. Sorry, I can't read my face. So, I'm going to go dump all the water out. Here, let's put it in an empty cup. Okay, guys. Guys, it's like sticky now. It's like, guys, it's slime that sticks to you. It's like so weird. Oh my gosh, I never thought I'd do this before. Okay, once it dries down, it's like kind of like plain. Oh my god, I gotta wash my hands. So, if you want to try this at home, do it. And I got a little special thing coming for you. So, guys, before you leave, make sure to smash that. Let's go. Smash that little like button. Smash this little guy. You gotta go. This one, you gotta go. And then notification bell, you gotta go. And then you gotta go. And then you put them all together. You put them on the floor and just smash them all. Make sure to subscribe to the rest of the crew. Make sure to join Squad TM today. Make sure to be some TMs. And make sure to leave a like. See you next time.